Hello and welcome to AI News Network. Today, we are diving into the latest updates, breaking news, and exciting technology trends. Let's get started. Breaking news: Global Tech Summit 2024 Major Announcements. The 25th Annual Global Tech Summit 2024 is underway, and it's bringing some incredible announcements. AI leaders from around the world have unveiled several groundbreaking innovations. One of the highlights is a new AI-powered virtual assistant designed to simplify your daily tasks. This assistant isn't just about managing schedules, it integrates with smartphones, smart home devices, and wearables, making it a versatile tool for balancing personal and professional life. India's space mission achieves new milestone. India's space program has reached another significant milestone with the successful launch of its latest satellite. This satellite is expected to play a crucial role in climate change monitoring and disaster management. Equipped with high-resolution imaging and real-time data collection capabilities, it aims to improve early warning systems for natural disasters, enhancing preparedness and response efforts. Tech giants in partnership for green energy. Apple and Google have announced a major green energy initiative. In this partnership, both companies will work together to make their operations more environmentally sustainable. This involves utilizing renewable energy sources and reducing their carbon footprint significantly. The initiative reflects a growing trend among tech giants to contribute to environmental conservation and combat global warming. Technology Spotlight. New AI-powered smartphone, what's inside? The latest AI-powered smartphone has hit the market with features that set it apart from its predecessors. It includes advanced camera functionality, smarter voice recognition, and real-time language translation. This phone uses AI to optimize photos and videos, reduce noise, and enhance the overall visual experience. It promises to be a game-changer for tech enthusiasts who value cutting-edge technology. Wearable tech, health monitoring revolution. Wearable technology is evolving, and the newest devices are taking health monitoring to the next level. Smartwatches now track more than just steps and calories. They also monitor blood pressure, heart rate, and stress levels. These integrated sensors and AI algorithms analyze health data to provide timely alerts, helping users maintain their well-being with more precision and accuracy. AI in education, transforming learning. AI is making waves in the education sector by offering customized learning experiences and adaptive learning platforms. Smart tutors and AI-driven tools are now available to make learning more engaging and effective. These technologies create individualized learning paths based on students' strengths and weaknesses, making the educational process more personalized and efficient. Viewer questions comments. AI की growth के future prospects क्या है? AI's future looks very promising. We can expect continuous advancements in AI and machine learning, impacting various sectors such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. As AI capabilities expand, we will see more intelligent and intuitive systems designed to solve complex problems and improve efficiency across industries. इंडिया की टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर का ग्रोथ रेट क्या है? India's technology sector is growing rapidly. With government initiatives and private sector investments, India is becoming a leading player in technology innovation. The adoption of emerging technologies like 5G, AI, and blockchain is expected to accelerate this growth trend, making India a significant player in the global tech landscape.